If you ever had aquarium plants die in your fish tank and you didn't know why, it wasn't you, it was a substrate. This is a system I built to fix that. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these new aquarium modules, so you can build your very own puzzle aquarium. To do this, you will ideally need a 3D printer or a friend or a shop to print them for you, but honestly, you can use almost any plastic container that can hold a sponge lid. Here are the tools that you will need: a cutting mat, a metal ruler, a craft cutter, a pencil, and Gorilla Glue or aquarium safe silicone. Today we are focusing on the three smallest module sizes: the small 70 by 70 millimeters, the medium 70 by 140 millimeters, and the large 140 by 140 millimeters. The reason there are three sizes is so they can combine like puzzle pieces and cover the floor of almost any standard tank you can find at the store. There is also one that is specific for the 5.5 gallon fish tank, and I even have one that is for a fishbowl, but that will be for another video. First, grab your aquarium sponge. Carefully grab the cutter. Put your printer box upside down on top of it and use the box as a guide to cut the sponge to the exact same dimension. Do this for all three box sizes. Next, download the free PDF template from the description. Print it out and place it right next to your cut sponge. Use your metal ruler to guide your blade along the template lines. You're not cutting the sponge into pieces, you are just cutting the slits into the sponge where the plants will go. Using the ruler makes it look clean and professional. Now we fill the boxes. Add your substrate until it's about halfway full. My boxes are 1.2 inches tall and the sponge is half an inch thick, so you only want to fill about 0.7 inches of substrate so the sponge has room to sit flush at the top. Grab your glue gun, run a line of glue on the inner walls of the container. For the large and medium boxes, you will notice a cross or a line in the middle. That is a support wall so the box is not flimsy. Put glue on that center wall too. To insert the sponges, always start with the corners first. Once the corners are in, the sides becomes easy. Just press a little with your finger. Finally, press the middle so it glues to that center support wall. Do this for all the boxes. And then, this is important, wait 24 hours for the glue to completely dry. It's been 24 hours. Grab your aquascaping tweezers and a group of 3 to 4 plant stems. For this example, I'm using Rotales. Pry the sponge's lid open a tiny bit with your fingers and push the plants down until they touch the soil. Release the tweezers and pull your hand away. The physical properties of the sponge make it snap back, grabbing the stem like the fingers of a hand. Once they are planted, put them in your tank in the order you planted. And fill it with water. The modules don't move, the plants don't float. Fill it however you want. This system changes everything. This will give you control, so if anything bad happens in your fish tank, you will know what to do. For example, if one module gets algae, take it out, clean it, and put it back. If a plant needs more light, pick it up and move it into the front. You are basically playing Tetris with your fish tank. It makes maintenance incredibly easy.